Hey y'all, want this? So after importing your clip, you have to make your clip according to your music. Like adjust the clip and the music in your timeline.
5 minutes later.
So after importing and adjusting your clip, you just have to add the beats. So click right here and add beats. Okay, so after adding beats, you just have to do one thing. Click here, right click, pre-compose, and then just click on this thing and click on the box thing and press OK. So it will pre-compose your clip. After that, you just have to apply effect called time wrap. So here is time warp. Just grab this on your timeline. Yep. So here you see this. Come here and then go on there and press on the keyframe like stopwatch. Okay, and just change its speed to something like fast, something like 150 or something like 200. Yeah, come back here, and after adding keyframes, you have to press U to see all the keyframes. Okay, after seeing all the keyframes, what you need to do is just change your speed to something like fast 150 or 200. And yep, wait, let me just make my speed 150. Yeah, so what you have to do is just copy this keyframe. Yep, and place all on the beats, like the beat number 2, beat number 3, beat number 4, 5, 6 and 7. So just grab your keyframe at this start and then copy this and place under all your beats. So yep, you can see the 150 speed here. Now just copy this and place. Place right here and then all the beats under it. Okay, after placing all the beats, now what you have to do is just click on this thing to add a keyframe and change its speed to something like 20 and copy the keyframe and place between the other keyframes. Okay, after this you can see this is 150 and this is 20. So this is like 150 and 20, 150, 20, 150 and 20, so on. Yeah, after that what you have to do is just select all the keyframes and right click one of them and keyframe assistant and easy ease. So yeah, your edit is ready.